Всем привет! Recently I've made a poll on LinkedIn and you chose Align Viewports as the next tool for EF tools. It took me longer than expected, but it's published and I want to share with all of you how to use it. So stay tuned. This tool is part of EF Tools extension. I have a video on my channel how to install it, link will be in the description of this video. I have prepared a few sheets to show you different examples. Let's start with the simplest one. Here we have 3 different sheets, there's just one viewport on each one of them and one of them has wrong title block. We're gonna select all of these sheets and click on Align Viewports in EF Tools tab. Now I want to select A01 as my main sheet, because we can see it right here. Then in the settings I would like to apply the same CropBox and CropBox. This way it makes sure that they align correctly. Then these 2 settings doesn't matter because there's just one viewport and no legends. And I would like to apply the same title block. And click on Align Title Block. Now this pops up and it just updates us on the progress. Okay, and it's complete. And you can see that they are all aligned and also that this one has updated its title block to the same one that was placed on the main one. Now let's go to the case B. I have just opened these sheets and as you can see there is just one single viewport on each one of them. I'll be working on this one. I'll take this viewport of an apartment and place it somewhere in the middle. Now I'm gonna select all of the sheets and align viewports. I'll select my main sheet to be top 6. And since all of these viewports have different crop boxes, I don't want to apply the same one. And other 3 settings, they are relevant here because it's just one viewport. And we click on Align Viewport. In this case, it tries to align all of viewports similarly to main sheet where we placed it in the middle. It just takes the center point of the viewport and does the same for the others. Okay, and it's complete. As you can see, it's just placed everything in the middle, just like we wanted. Okay, now let's go to case D. I misspelled it, but never mind. I've just opened the sheets and as you can see there are much more going on. They all have more than one viewport on them. For example, this sheet has 2 floor plans, 1 ceiling plan and 1 legend. And this one has the least viewport, has only 1 floor plan and 1 legend. We're gonna use this one as the main for our first run. Let's select all of our sheets. Go to Align Viewports. Select Roof Plan as our main sheet. And let's pretend that we accidentally untick this one, which says Overlap Multiple Viewports, and click on Align Viewports. Quickly you can see that it starts giving us warning that there are multiple viewports and overlap setting is set to false. We close it and then we run it again, but this time we make sure that setting stays ticked. Now I want to align legend and I want to apply same CropBox and CropBox so they are all aligned correctly. And the roof plan is my main sheet. Click Align Viewports. And as you can see, it has aligned all of them correctly. Now, let's go one step back. This time we're gonna again select all of our sheets. Click on Align Viewports. Let's try to select some other view, for example, Ege. I keep all the settings the same, and we wait a little. As you can see, it quickly tells us that there are multiple viewports on main sheet and they are not aligned. So the script doesn't know which one is the correct position and it will not align anything. Same will happen if you have different scope boxes or different scales. Now let's put everything in the middle and align together. And now let's try running it again. Select Align Viewports, again select this EG. Click on Align Viewports. And as you can see, it's complete. It works both ways if you select single viewport or multiple viewports, as long as you follow some rules. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please feel free to give me feedback on my tools and videos, and even suggest any changes. I might implement some of them. I'll appreciate if you subscribe and like my videos. This will help me immensely to reach more people. Have a good one. Bye.